In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GIF in Miro. Animated GIFs add energy and clarity to your boards, perfect for quick reactions, visual cues, or emphasizing a point. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find GIFs in Miro and how to place them on your canvas with confidence. First, log into your Miro account and open the board where you want to add a GIF. You can use an existing board or start a new one. Give the board a moment to load so the sidebar and all tools are fully available. That ensures the media options appear when you need them. On the left side of the screen, look for the Creation toolbar. This is the vertical strip that includes tools like shapes, text, and more. In that toolbar, you'll either see a square icon labeled Tools, Media, and Integrations, or an option called Stickers and Emojis. What you see can vary by workspace setup, but either option will take you to the place where GIFs live. Click that icon to open the panel, then switch to the GIFs tab. Here, you can search by typing a keyword, like celebration, thumbs up, or anything related to your topic, or you can browse the suggested options. Keep your keywords simple for broader results. As you hover, you'll usually get a quick preview of the animation so you can check the motion and overall vibe before placing it. When you find the one you want, click and drag the GIF onto your board. Release it where you want it to appear, then adjust as needed. If your board is organized with frames, drop the GIF inside the relevant frame so it stays grouped with the rest of your content. After it lands, you can reposition it by dragging and resize it by grabbing a corner handle. Most GIFs will loop automatically, so there's nothing extra to set up. If you don't see the right icon, try widening your browser window or collapsing other panels to reveal the Creation toolbar. Make sure you have edit access to the board. View-only access won't let you add media. If your search is too narrow, switch to a broader keyword to surface more results, and that's all there is to it. Open your board, find the Creation toolbar, open Media or Stickers, switch to the GIFs tab, search or browse, then drag your chosen GIF onto the canvas. You've just added motion and personality to your Miro board in a few simple clicks.